Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eves once here again. So today we are going to talk about the famous Nivea Creme. Like, this is the best selling moisturizing cream in the world, the good old Nivea Creme. Now I must say, Nivea Creme is so old. I don't remember when they started manufacturing this, but I remember way back when I was a little girl, there was Nivea Creme. Like, it's so old. Now, it's one of the cheapest creams you can ever find. Yes, this is 150 ml and it costs less than 2 euros. This was a €1.80 or something. Yes, so this is so affordable. Now, what is this good for? This is good for hydration, especially in the winter seasons. This has stood the test of time. Now, I must say, obviously, this is a cheapie, okay? It doesn't have so much, it doesn't have quality products in here. It is made of water. Water is the first ingredient, and it has glycerin, it has petroleum and alcohol, paraffin, blah and all that. Now, this, I must say, it is great during the winter when it's very cold. This is going to help moisturize your skin, moisturize your feet, your arms, your face, everything. But in the hot summer, you wouldn't want to go near this, because it is basically going to suffocate you. You're going to feel very uncomfortable using this in the summer. Like, I must say, this cream is so thick, very thick. And one downside about it is the fact that it's so difficult to spread. I mean, if you take a little bit like that and you put it on your body, or you have to rub, like, it doesn't spread easily. And I must say, this is one downside about it. It's so difficult to just rub it into your skin. And also, if you get out of the shower and if you have, some liquid on your body, if you have some water on your body, some drops of water on your body, you cannot put this on your skin, because it's basically going to slip, okay? It doesn't sit well with water at all. It's basically going to slip and leave your skin, with that white residue. It would not absorb into your skin. It's so on the thick side. I must say, it's too thick for my liking. Now, I usually buy this cream because I love to use it on my hands and on my feet. I don't put this on my face and I don't put this on my body. Like, it's not something I would want to use every day, but I love it on my hands and on my feet. This hydrates your hands and your feet very well. Talking about hydrating your hands and feet, like, I'm going to give this a 90%. It's so good when it comes to hydration of the feet and on the hands, and it hydrates your body as well. But due to the fact that it's so thick and it doesn't spread easily, I don't like putting this on my body. It's just too much work for me. And I never use this on my face, obviously, because it's an everyday cream. It's nothing special. It's not a treatment. I am very picky when it comes to things I put on my face. I'm sorry, but this wouldn't go on my face, because if you put it on your face, it's going to be too greasy, too greasy. Even during the winter, I don't put this on my face. I just use it on the other parts of my body. And I must say, if you use this, it does, maintains hydration for about 12 hours. They are claiming it's 48 hours, but honestly, I would say it hydrates your skin for about 12 hours. For its price, this is a good thing. I mean, it's a good deal. Less than 2 euros for this. It's a good deal. Apart from its hydration effect, I wouldn't say, it really does anything. This is not a treatment. That is why it's obviously so cheap. It doesn't get rid of, acne. It doesn't get rid of suntan. It doesn't silken out your skin. It's basically good for the moment. If you use it and after 12 hours you wash it off or something, if you go take a shower, your skin goes back to the state it was before you started using this. It is not going to give you any treatments over time and all that. It's just good for the moment. You use it, and after it wears out, you have to use it again. It's not going to treat your skin over time. This is the honest truth. I must say, I love the smell. The smell is not so bad. It is a little bit on the stronger side, but it's not too penetrating into the nose. So this is cool. And I have heard, you know, we have other users. Some people use it on their hair and to get it to lay on and all that, but I have never used it for my hair. It makes sense because it contains petroleum, it contains lanolin. Okay, apart from that, you know, I must say there's nothing special about this Nivea cream, even though it's been around for so many years. It's so old, and it's the best selling moisturizing cream ever in the whole wide world. That is what they claim. I have not verified it, but that is what they claim. It could be true because, you know, this Nivea stuff is everywhere. So basically it's good for the hands and the feet and for the body during the cold seasons, but during the summer seasons you don't want to put this on your body. You're going to feel like, you know, you put grease on your body. It's going to make your skin feel like it's frying, especially if it's very, very hot. You don't want to use this under the sun. So that is it. Let me know, have you used this before? Do you use it? Have you used it in the past? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.